I'm obsessed with watching Raising Cane's on YouTube. It's a family of 11. They have their own professional salad bars. It's really like industrial size. So I was like, hey, why don't I use a Flex Zone on my refrigerator to do that? Because what am I doing with my Flex Zone? Like nothing. So I went on and I put carrots and onions and tomatoes and berries and sprouts and all the things, cabbage and vegan salami, all of that. I chopped it all up, prepped it ahead of time, and this will hold in my Flex Zone for about 7 to 10 days, especially in these industrial type containers that I bought. I didn't buy the regular Tupperwares. I bought the kind that you would find in a kitchen. So I got these from a kitchen store. And ignore the dent on my Flex Zone. That happened during a move. I've prepped everything, my cabbage, my cucumbers all over the place. Don't worry about that. Prepped everything into my containers, right? And these containers don't work very well in the dishwasher. The lid on one of them got kind of distorted. So wash these by hand if you do go with this method. I learned the hard way. They don't all work in the dishwasher. Anyway, I just put them inside of my prep zone. I have this little bar in my prep zone that you can slide up and down. So if something is a little bigger, you need a little bit more space, you can definitely have that. But this is a way for us to be healthy fast, get our raw fruits and vegetables fast. I fast about 60 days out of the year, but even when I'm not fasting, I like to eat a lot of raw fruits and vegetables, and the same with my husband and my son. My son likes poke bowls, he likes Korean bowls, and we like salads. And you can even put this stuff inside of ramen and even in tacos. So you can chop up different things every week to go inside of that Flex Zone. But the point is, you're getting so much raw fruits and vegetables, your fiber, your nutrients, quickly. You come home tired from work or from school and you want a little something, it's perfect. I also made a bunch of brown rice to put in little packets, and I froze it. And my son microwaves that and then makes Korean bowls out of that. This salad here is a sub in the tub and or a grinder salad, whichever you want to call it. But it's carrots, beets, cabbage, cucumbers, romaine lettuce, some olives, pepperoncini, vegan salami, protein noodles I put in there by Barilla, some vegan cheese, and my dressing. And I keep about 3 or 4 different dressings on the door in that same refrigerator so we can have it fast. Let me know in the comments what you would put in your Flex Zone and if you like this salad bar idea.